Greetings, citizens of the world. We are anonymous. It has come to our attention that the music company Vevo has been getting YouTube users who use their music into trouble. This trouble includes having the videos silenced, having the sound replaced with 009 sound system music, having the video removed, and having their accounts locked or deleted. This does not sit well with us as far as you, Vevo, should be concerned. You should be thanking these people for spreading your music around. You have forgotten what the music industry is about. To spread your music for all to enjoy. If you do not stop these childish fits against those using your music, not only will you anger Anonymous, but also those who you rely on for views on YouTube, thus making you revenue. Heed this warning, Vevo, and do not take it lightly, or you will be hurting in an area where you hold near and dear to you. Your wallets. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us, Vevo.